Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where today I'll show you how to add effect to video call on Messenger. And I'll guide you through each step so you can use these effects smoothly during your calls. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Messenger app, making sure you are logged into the correct account because the effects feature only works properly when the right profile is active and synced. Step 2. Open any chat from your messenger list, then start a video call with that person and wait for them to pick up because the effects menu only appears after the call is connected. Step 3. Once the call is picked up, look at the top area of the screen and find the small smiley face icon in the upper right section. Then tap on it to continue, as this icon leads you directly to the effects controls. Step 4. After tapping the smiley face, look toward the bottom of the screen where the options slide up and then select the effects button, which opens the full library of filters, frames and animations you can use during your video call. Step 5. Inside this menu, you will see two options appear labeled for you and for everyone. Go to the For You section because this area contains the effects you can apply only to yourself. Then scroll through the list, choose the effect you want, tap to apply it and save the selection so it appears instantly on your video call. And now you have successfully learned how to add effect to video call on Messenger using these simple steps. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.